Using technology to create a classroom that thinks. Albert Einstein once said, "Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think." Today we will discuss 6 apps that stimulate critical thinking: AutoCAD 360, Animate Me, Opposing Views, Tinkerbox HD, Artificial Life, and Sugar Shake. All of these applications appeal to different subject types, but they all stimulate critical thinking. Sugar Shake is a game that you could use in a chemistry class where you shake and tilt sugar molecules to set off chemical reactions and earn points. The game uses protein characters based on real structures. Animate Me. Students can create 3D animations in a simple way. This app allows students to see how popular animated movies are brought to life. It's a great tool for creativity and telling stories. Artificial Life. This app simulates the growth and evolution of microorganisms. Initially, each organism is given a random set of rules governing its behavior. The organism may live long enough to pass its genetic code on to offspring, which sometimes leads to interesting patterns of behavior, and it all is evolving. Opposing Views. Opposing Views reports the news and lets students debate it. The most pressing, important, and unbiased news is presented. It will definitely make students think. AutoCAD 360. You can use this software to draw, view, or edit. Students may work in layers and save or share their drawings. This app can be fundamental in designing layouts for projects or structures. Tinkerbox HD. Tinkerbox is a physics puzzle game full of interesting science facts and basic engineering concepts. Students can use their creativity and thinking skills to invent all kinds of machines and learn basic mechanical concepts. Why is technology important to creating a thinking classroom? First of all, technology can be engaging. The reality is that students like technology and it draws them in and they can see how it can be used in many different ways. Second of all, it is relevant. Discovering different technologies and using critical thinking and problem solving are important 21st century learner skills. And lastly, it's inclusive. Many times technology bridges the gap between student abilities, and it creates an environment that is all inclusive. This addresses 2 different standards. The first one, candidates design and facilitate diverse learning activities that incorporate digital tools and resources. And second, the ISTE standard of designing authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning.